where you will place the patient. The patient is under contact. Single room. Okay? Single room. Can we do cohorting? Yes. As long as same microorganisms. Clear? What are the diseases you will put under contact precaution? MRSA, your MDRO, multi-drug resistant organisms, Clostridium difficile, Candida aureus. All those you will put under contact precaution. Clear? If patient is for transfer to another ward or go to the ER, I mean radiology, for CT scan, for MRI, and patient is for contact, what you will do? First is inform. Call step by step. Call the receiving department, inform about the diagnosis. Next, you have to prepare the patient, put a new gown, okay, and then cover any bed sores if the patient has bed sores. Third, for the staff transferring, what you will do?